and come to date you tonight.
He didn't. I dated him.
Oh? Well, was he interesting?
I'm afraid you'd have found it a dull evening. You know something? I don't think he knows anything about women.
This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency situation in the state of Michigan, due to an activity of inhumane creatures targeting and breaking into 409 residents' homes in Crimson County. Listen to the guidelines in Need for Survival. Stay indoors, and do not leave your home. Barricade windows, lock all doors, turn off all cellular devices, hide in an out-of-sight area, and stay as quiet as possible.